Danke bafethu, njengoba sibona ukuthi Orlando Pirates ilokhu introduce ama-youngsters or abantu ababa-graduate from i-DDC team yabo and then benza kahle kakhulu, benza ey'bukwayo ngempela abafana. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoSimphiwe Slebe lana. A few games, first 2 games yakhe Orlando Pirates bekangekho that stable, but manje yambona ugain i-confidence after leya man of the match leya, nanokuthi udlala kahle kakhulu yabo. So stable laphana ku-midfield, uyakwazi ukubamba ibhola nokucontrola igame. I think more time abamnika yona sona uzokwazi ukudlala ngempela umfana deliver to the highest level. Bengimdoubt meqeda ukufika, but manje ngiyabona ukuthi there's something great about him. Ngiyabona ukuthi melokhu adlala nje uzoba more comfortable. Once aba more comfortable to the PSL game, uzodominate ngempela. Is one of the best midfielders kulaba bafana laba abancane iy'ntanga zakhe yabo. But the more aba comfortable lapha nebholeni lase South Africa, the more azokwazi ukudominate. Already njengoba ngishilo ukuthi une-man of the match, mfana udlala kahle kakhulu. Ama-pass good, pinpoint passes, uyakwazi, is able to track back naku-defense, unaleyo aggression yakhe. Yeah, akusiwuye kuphela obvious bafake no-goalkeeper laphana omusha uDladla. Siyabonga Dladla laphana emuva ukukhipha i-clean sheet. Obviously azange asebenze kakhulu because bebadlala ne-SuperSport. SuperSport they're not that creative going forward, but-ke I think yena ngiprefera yena than uButhelezi. But-ke siyivale nje ngoSlab. uSlab I think une-good future ahead. Bengicabanga ukuthi hayi maybe Orlando Pirates kumele isayine amanye ama-midfielder. Yes, kumele bawasayine ama-midfielder ane-experience, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi umfana uzokwazi ukukompitha throughout the years. Ngimfisela inhlanhla bafowethu. Danko.